Okay, in this quick video, we're going to troubleshoot our Apple AirPods that are no longer connecting to our iPhone, which is pretty common, but it's usually a pretty simple fix. So the first thing I want you to do is just restart your iPhone. You want to find that that will fix probably 50% of the problems just by restarting your iPhone. Okay, next, after you've restarted your iPhone, make sure that your Bluetooth is on your iPhone. So some people will inadvertently turn off the Bluetooth on their iPhone or their Android phone, and that's the reason it's not pairing or connecting. Now, after you've tried that and it's still not connecting, go ahead and find your charging case and go ahead and put both of them in and have them close to your iPhone. Okay? And then make sure that this is blinking here. That'll put it on pairing. And if it's not, hold down the button here on the back, hold it down until this does start blinking. And then once it starts blinking, go into your iPhone and then see if it's pairing. You can go into settings and go to Bluetooth and go to AirPod and see if it is connecting. Another thing is if the batteries are too low, a lot of times that will make it not pair. So go ahead and plug it up and make sure it's charged for at least 10 minutes and open them back up and then see if it'll start pairing. A lot of times you'll find that it just needs, the batteries needs to be charged in order. And of course you can go into the settings and see what percentage each earbud is charged at. But you'll find that a lot of times that will fix it. Now, if you've tried that, what I want you to do is to forget device. And so I need you to forget the iPods or the AirPods in your phone, your iPhone. In order to do that, go ahead and make sure that the lid is up and it's blinking. And then what you want to do is go to settings on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth, and then from Bluetooth go down to where it says AirPods. And then from AirPods, I want you to hit the little eye icon. And then from there, I want you to forget device. Okay, forget it. And then go ahead and pair it again by hitting the little button and make sure this is blinking up here with this open. And then go ahead and go back to Bluetooth and make sure that it's back on and then see if you're able to hear them again. Now, worst case scenario, what you can do, worst case scenario is to do a full factory reset, which not a big deal, but make sure that the lid is open. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold this down for 15 seconds and you don't let go. And it doesn't have to be plugged in. And then what's going to happen is this is going to turn orange and it's going to make it like it's fresh out of the box, brand new. And then what you're going to do is then you're going to find it again. You're going to go back into Bluetooth in here, and then you're going to find device, and then you want to set back up and then see if that will work. You're going to find that usually that's going to work. You can go into balance mode and make sure that one's not 100% or whatever, but most likely one of those is going to fix your issue. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.